Solve the simultaneous equations a squared minus ab plus b squared equals 3 and a plus 2b plus 1 equals 0. Now this first equation is an example of a non-linear equation. Its graph is not a line. The second equation is a linear equation. Its graph is a straight line. To solve these, we substitute the linear equation into the non-linear equation. So we make either a or b the subject of the linear equation and plug in to the non-linear equation. Now the easiest thing to do is to make a the subject of the linear equation. If we do that, we get a equals minus 2b minus 1. We copy out the non-linear equation, replacing a with minus 2b minus 1. So if we do that, we get minus 2b minus 1 squared, because we've a squared here, minus a, which is minus 2b minus 1, times b, then we have plus b squared equals 3. So we just replaced a with minus 2b minus 1 in brackets. Squaring out this bracket here, we get plus 4b squared plus 4b plus 1. Multiplying the minus in here, we get minus 2b, that's plus 2b, and that in turn is multiplied by the b out here to get plus 2b squared. We have a minus 1 gives plus 1 times b to give plus b. Then we have plus b squared equals 3. Gathering up b squared terms, we have 7b squared. Gathering up the b terms, we have plus 5b. And we have to get this into the standard form of a quadratic equation. So we want 0 on the right hand side. So this is going to end up as a quadratic equation. So we bring the plus 3 over. So we have plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Solving this quadratic equation, we have minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 5 squared, which is 25, minus 4 times a times c, where a is 7, c is minus 2. Inside the square root sign we get 81. The square root of 81 is 9. Minus 5 plus 9 is plus 4 over 14 is 2/7, or we get minus 14 over plus 14, which is minus 1. Now we need to get the corresponding values of a for each of these values of b. So we know that a is minus 2b minus 1. When b is 2/7, we get a equals minus 2 times 2/7 minus 1. That's minus 4/7 minus 1, which is the same as minus 4/7 minus 7/7, which is minus 11/7. When b is minus 1, we have minus 2 by minus 1, which is plus 2. Plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1. We could write down our solutions as a pair of points. We see that when a is 1, b is minus 1. So 1 and minus 1 go together. I could write the first coordinate as the a coordinate. When a is 1, b is minus 1. Or when a is minus 11/7, then b is 2/7. So I'm calling the first coordinate a, although you don't have to. You could have these the other way around. And the second coordinate b. So if we saw the graphs of these equations, they would intersect at these 2 points. It is not surprising that we would get more than one point of intersection, because the second equation represents a line and the first equation is some sort of curve. So a line could cross a curve in more than one point. In this case it crosses the curve at 2 points.